Hey, it's Layla from Empower English Tutoring. This is the second in the series on making complaints in a restaurant. While this lesson isn't really about making complaints as much as it is how to make yourself understood when you want something different than is what on your menu, or when you need to ask the waiter for change in your order because they didn't get something right, it can be helpful to know how to do these things. Remember last time we talked about using "I'm afraid" to let the waiter know politely that you want something different. This time we'll go into a bit more detail of how to let the waiter know you need something changed on your order. Here's the first situation. You've ordered something, and then you say, "Excuse me, I'm afraid this isn't right. I ordered instead of For example, you might say, "Excuse me, I'm afraid this isn't right. I ordered chicken with green beans and broccoli instead of mashed potatoes." Listen again and try to identify the words I say that are emphasized more. The words that are said more loudly and strongly are the words in the order that the waiter is going to understand you mean are the food items you want to be changed. "Excuse me, I'm afraid this isn't right. I ordered chicken with green beans and broccoli instead of mashed potatoes." Broccoli and mashed potatoes were emphasized more than chicken and green beans. This tells the waiter that you want them to exchange the mashed potatoes for broccoli, that they made a mistake in bringing you mashed potatoes when they should have brought you broccoli. This is just one way that you can ask for your order to be changed if the waiter got something wrong. Here's situation 2. You want something from the menu, but you want it to be changed just a little bit so that you like the meal better. You can say, "May I please have the vegetarian pasta? But could I please substitute the mushrooms for more squash?" The word substitute tells the waiter you want something different than what is listed on the menu. It's important to know that in some restaurants in the U.S., you may have to pay a bit extra for a substitution, such as if you want gluten-free pasta instead of regular pasta, so don't get mad if your bill is more. Here's another way to ask. "May I please have the beef enchiladas, but may I please have extra rice instead of refried beans?" Here, the key words are "instead of" to tell the waiter you want more rice and not just rice and beans on the side with the enchiladas, which are great Tex-Mex and Mexican food if you haven't tried them yet. I have to ask for this all the time because I don't like refried beans very much. We also used "instead of" in the first situation where the customer requests the waiter to change the mashed potatoes to broccoli on the order. That's it for this time. Take care.